everybody. I'm Jim, and that's Carol, and we're rolling down the road here in our Jeep. We thought we'd take a day after Valentine's Day cruise over the mountain in search of Carol's favorite cupcakes.
We're taking a day off from packing and cleaning and organizing, a much needed day off, because we haven't been anywhere and I haven't been into the park in probably months, and my camera finger is kind of going bananas. So we're gonna go drive over the mountain and into Cherokee and see what we could scare up over there on the other side of the mountain, just for fun.
So we're on 441 heading north. South. We're heading south.
South into the national park.
We're at the edge of Pigeon Forge.
Look.
Oh, look, there's the sign.
Great Smoky Mountains National Park. There you go.
So the spur goes on for 5 or 10 miles, and then we'll go through Gatlinburg.
Yep.
Well, hello. We've paused part of the way up here at this pullout where we've got a nice view of chimney tops behind us here. I'm still not sure that's what the camera's pointing at. But
It is.
I can't see anyway. Chimney tops was when the big fire started, where the big fire started a few years ago. And all of this hillside here was burned, and a whole lot of this area was burned.
Yep. Kind of danced down the whole mountain here and into Gatlinburg. So we're about 4-5 miles up from Gatlinburg now, and still heading up. We're gonna go up to Newfound Gap. That's as far as we can go at this time of year, because Clingman's Dome is closed for the winter. So we're gonna keep riding, and we'll catch you at the top. top. We're at Newfound Gap, about 5,300 feet up or something like that. This is
It's the top of the road.
the top of the road.
Route 441 going between Tennessee and North Carolina.
Right.
We're basically at the state line.
We are at the state line
We are at the state line.
between Tennessee and North Carolina. So, lots of folks up here walking around on this beautiful day. There's the sign. We're at the Tennessee-North Carolina line. On this side, we're in North Carolina.
And on this side, I'm in Tennessee.
And on
So
this
you were
side,
supposed to point the camera at me, but you didn't.
we're in Tennessee. We could do that again.
Okay, this thing behind us is the structure where Teddy Roosevelt. What'd you do?
Declared the Smoky Mountains to be a national park.
In 1934.
And
They had a big ceremony and stuff.
yes, people filled the parking lot. And Teddy stood at the top of the stone structure over there and
Gave a speech.
gave his speech and dedicated the Smoky Mountains National Park.
Now off this way, just a little bit, that's the Appalachian Trail.
We'll go there.
Oh, we're gonna go there?
Sure.
Okay.
We're walking up toward the Appalachian Trail here.
Appalachian Trail goes through 14 states.
Yep.
I'll go up there.
All right. There's the sign. We are at the Appalachian Trail.
This is the actual trail going, I don't know which way,
I think it heads
going north. This is the north side.
Yeah, because it says in 1,972 miles, you'll be in Maine, which is where it ends.
And the trail actually crosses the road here. If you look across the street, there's a little sign where the trail picks back up. Probably can't even see it on the camera.
Yeah, probably not. But it's kind of cool. We're making a quick pit stop at the Oconaluftee Visitor Center. This is down the North Carolina side all the way. We went up and over the mountain and into Cherokee, North Carolina. So this is actually where the elk always hang out, and there are a couple of them out in the fields over there, but I don't see a whole lot. Not real sure where they hang out over the winter, but maybe we'll go in and ask.
after a very successful trip over the mountain.
Yes, it was a wonderful trip over the mountain. I need to get my nature out a little bit. We're back home after a lovely day in the mountains, and I'm going to try what we drove over the mountain for. My Goodman's gluten-free cupcakes, which seem to only be sold at the Food Lion now. All the way in Cherokee, so oh darn, we have to ride over the mountain and go get. Yep.
Are they as good as they've always been?
Mm-hmm. Delicious.
They're different now. There used to be 6 thimble-full size ones in a package, and now they're 4 giant ones.
They're bigger. Still just as good. Jim's got his margarita out, and he's gonna mix his. He's gonna mix this margarita, and I'm gonna enjoy my cupcake. We're gonna have a nice, quiet, peaceful evening, except for the barking dog.
Except for Riley.
Have a good one, everyone. Thanks for coming along today.